Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do some pampering. I'm going to show you how to do an easy at-home manicure that is tropical spa inspired and guaranteed to have your nails and hands looking their absolute best. Now this also happens to be my current nail care routine. The reason why I'm calling it tropical spa inspired is because of some of the products I'll be using. So let's get started. So we're going to break this manicure into 3 parts. The first part is the nail prep. And here is everything that I'm going to be using for that process. Now the candle helps to create the spa-like ambiance. And I love to light candles when doing my nails because it just helps to create a vibe. And as you can see, the candle that I'm using today is Tropical Punch. And the scent is divine, y'all. It smells so good. Now, of course, you can use any candle you want and any scent you want, and you don't have to break the bank. I found my candle at TJ Maxx for about $6, but you can also find some cheaper at Walmart or even the Dollar Tree. Okay, so here are my nails looking an absolute hot mess. I recently had COVID, so I have not polished them or done anything to them in about 2 weeks. Everything has grown out and the polish is chipped and my cuticles are extremely dry. I like to use 100% acetone to remove my old polish because it's so quick and easy, but if you don't know, it is very harsh and drying on your nails, so I have a remedy for that. This little bottle of additive is called the Baroness X Acetone Antidote, and in keeping with my tropical theme, the scent is Nectarine, Blossom, and Honey. It has glycerin and jojoba oil to help protect and moisturize your nails, skin, and cuticles during polish removal. I'll be sure to list this and all other products in the description box below. And you simply pour this additive into your bottle of acetone. Now, if you don't have something like this, you can also use 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or sweet almond oil and add that to your bottle to help nourish your nails. Okay, so now I'm just taking a cotton ball soaked with acetone and I'm removing my old polish. And for the purpose of this video, I'm speeding this up, but the process usually takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if this was a glitter polish, it would take a lot longer because that usually involves some extra scrubbing. Once the polish is all removed, the next step is to file my nails. And I like to use a glass nail file. This is the one I typically use. It's one of the larger sizes, but I also have this one that is smaller by Tala. Glass files are typically more gentle on your nails as opposed to emery boards or metal files, which can be more harsh. Now, I like to wear my nails short only because I can't maneuver well with long nails. I can't pick up a pencil, I can't type, I can't drive. So this works best for me. And I also prefer a square to squoval shaped nail. For my natural nails, I feel this shape just gives my hands a nice, clean, classy look. I also like to file my nails on an old black t-shirt because it helps me to see them better when I'm filing. Another benefit to using glass nail files is you can file your nails back and forth without causing damage. With emery boards, you usually have to file in one direction. Otherwise, it can cause the nail to become weak. I usually use the smaller nail file and file up and down on the side of my nails and soften the corner of my nails to get that squoval look. After I get them into the desired shape, I will use a buffer block to smooth out any ridges. I like to use this 4-step block because it tells you which side is for what. Here is an example of an area that needs to be smoothed out, so I use the buffer block to do that. Now I know the pink side is for smoothing, but I find the file side better for getting those ridges out, and it's not too harsh. And I gently rub up the tip of the nail to get rid of any file shavings. Once I finish filing, it's time to tackle those cuticles. And I'm going to be using one of the OGs in the game, the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. This is a favorite among nail lovers because it helps to break down excess cuticles in just 15 seconds. It has a gel formula that features chamomile and aloe and is very gentle on your cuticles. And since I'm applying the bottle tip directly onto my cuticles, I always make sure to thoroughly clean the tip afterwards to prevent spreading bacteria and germs. Next, I use a wooden cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. Prepping and pushing back your cuticles allows your products to bond more easily with your nail's surface for longer lasting results. I can't stress enough how important this step is. For one, a manicure with dead tissue on it is not cute. And two, not doing this step can lead to infection. I also use the wooden cuticle pusher to remove the dead tissue along the sides of my nails as well. And for the sake of this video, I sped this process up and I did my other hand off camera. And for that stubborn dead tissue, I'll sometimes use this metal cuticle pusher. But if you're not comfortable using a metal one, they have plastic ones as well. After that, I rinse my hands in warm soapy water. And for those stubborn hangnails on the side, I use this baby right here. This is just another type of cuticle trimmer. You just push those prongs along the side of your nail and you can see how easily it removes the hangnail. Alright, so that completes the nail prep process. Now it's time to move on to part 2, which is the hand prep. And here are all the products I'll be using for this step. First, I'm going to clean under my nails with this double-sided nail brush. I will wet my hands under warm running water and then use a gentle hand soak to scrub and clean under my nails and all around my nails. And then rinse. You can see my nails look better already, but now it's time for my favorite part, the sugar scrub. And in keeping with my tropical theme, today I'm going to be using the Tree Hut Watermelon Shea Sugar Scrub. Y'all, when I tell y'all this stuff is heaven in a jar, oh my goodness. First of all, when you take off the lid, the scent engulfs you. And when you rub it on your hands, it feels so good. One of the great benefits of a sugar scrub is it exfoliates your hands and helps to remove dead skin cells to give your hands a more youthful appearance. And this sugar scrub contains sugar, shea butter, watermelon, and an array of natural oils like evening primrose, avocado, macadamia, sweet almond, safflower, and orange oils. And it smells like a burst of hydration with key notes of watermelon, lemon zest, and raspberry cotton candy. Oh my goodness. Once you rinse this off, your hands will feel so soft and your skin will be so glowy. I love this stuff. After I rinse off the sugar scrub, I apply some type of hand cream or lotion. Today I'll be using the Body Shop's Whipped Body Butter in Fresh Raspberry. This light, fluffy whipped body butter quenches your skin and leaves your hands feeling smooth like velvet. With each step, my hands look better and better. And now it's time to move on to part 3, which is to polish your nails. And here is everything I'll be using for this process. First, I take my mini shot glass, at least that's what I call them, I don't know what they're called. And it's filled with rubbing alcohol and an old makeup brush because I need to remove any oils that are on my nail beds so the polish can stick. You can also use regular polish remover or acetone. Now it's time to apply my base coat, and I'm going to be using Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth Treatment. Since I've been using this, I notice my nails are a lot stronger and they chip and peel less. Now it's time for my actual polish. This beauty right here is ORLY's Lips Like Sugar. I usually apply a thin layer for my first coat, and I try to get as close to the cuticle as I can without touching it. That helps to give it that clean, professional look. If I make any mistakes, I use my cleanup brush and my mini shot glass filled with acetone, and they wipe right off. Or I use the wooden stick and it does the same thing. I let that sit for about 7 minutes and then I go in for my second coat. Once the second coat is complete, I apply my top coat. One of my favorites to use is from Vibrant Vinyls. This is their Fast and Hard Quick Dry Glossy Top Coat, and the scent is Rainbow Sugar. It smells delicious. Alright, the top coat is applied and I'm very satisfied with my results. But there's just one last step. I gotta apply my cuticle oil. And I have many different types of cuticle oils, but today I'm going in with Blossom Scented Cuticle Oil. It smells like roses. It's important to keep those cuticles hydrated, and if you don't have a cuticle oil, you can go in with olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, any type of nourishing oil. Just apply a few drops and massage it into your cuticles. And then you're finished. And here are my final results in front of my little faux tropical backdrop. Comment below and let me know what you think. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like videos like this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and then click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.